Good morning. We're done chores. It's already smoking hot. It must be a heyday. Well, we're giving up on the weather because I think they've changed it 3 times this morning already. From the time we cut that field of hay, till we cut another field of hay, till now, like, they just keep adding rain and then taking it away and then adding more rain, and I give up. We're done with that. We are going to make wet hay instead. We're going to bale up wet, which means we then have to wrap it tonight. So it's going to be a full day, but it's going to make this a lot less stressful than worrying about whatever the weather changes. So, jobs we got to do first, we got to get the knives sharpened on the baler because I want to run them. We got to get the baler greased up. We've got to get the chains oiled on the baler. And then hopefully we can do that in the next hour and a half or so, and we can actually get baling. How was it?
Point at the map and we'll get there somehow. The sky ain't falling, let's get out of this town. Our time is vital and we're making it count. Doing what we can to show them who we are now. Okay, yeah. Let's show them what we're made of. Let's show them who we are. Okay, yeah. Don't wait for the clouds, we gotta shoot for the stars. We got tonight, yeah.
That was cool. That's Terry. Terry is our resident hawk. I'm not sure if Terry is a he or a she. I actually think there's 2 of them. Terry and Terry. Anyway, Terry always comes and helps when we're haying. $260 bales, not too shabby. Now, Mom and Dad have been working at picking up all the bales and getting set up for reed come wrap. Dad went back to milk, so Tyler came along. He's been picking up bales. We're gonna go and help him and Mom get these all picked up and then get them wrapped in the next couple hours. Whew. 260 bales to wrap though. That's the next big job. Must be something about that hayfield that we can't do anything without it raining. Because we're officially rained out for the night and not done. Try again tomorrow. Good morning. Part 2, I guess. Well, we didn't get the hay wrapped last night, of course. Today, though, we've got much bluer skies. Supposed to get, maybe a thunderstorm. Tonight, it's one of those, it is smoking hot today, so who knows when a thunderstorm pops up. It is that kind of day where you pull the guns out because we're going to move the farmer's stand from here to here. Very scientific on a hot day like this. Anyway, Dad and Reed, they're going to finish wrapping hay this morning. They're working on it now. Should be done any time. I thought since I haven't given you a barn update in a while, I thought we'd walk through a little bit. So, this is where it's going here. A few things that we've confirmed. So the mortgage, security on the mortgage, all of that kind of stuff, that paperwork is getting wrapped up because we did get our first bill for the barn too. Schoonerwoods have purchased quite a few things just to try to get ahead of these price increases. So we owe them significant amount of money. Actually, it could be one of the biggest checks I've ever written. That's on the agenda. So we got to get them paid, but first we got to get the mortgage and security all finalized, so that should happen in the next week or two. Here's what we've got this is the pasture here, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but there's tile runs that run from up at the highway back this way, and they run the whole length of the pasture. We've got to tie them off because otherwise we'll just cut those off and it won't drain properly. So within the next 2 to 4 weeks, I would say, Mike's going to be in. We got to tile another piece anyway. He's going to come in. He's going to rip straight across, tie all these up, and then we'll kind of be ready that way. We got an old well here. It's a well we actually haven't used for probably a year or two. We just had trouble with the pump. We use the other main well that we've had for quite a while, and this is pretty hard water. Plus, this is where the front of the office milk house goes. So we've got to cap this, tie it off, clear it up, do all that. That's supposed to be in the next 6-ish weeks. And then beside that, we kind of wait on the bunker, get the driveway widened, do all that kind of stuff. So it is one where, I said we were kind of hoping April 1st we'd move in. Now all of a sudden we're into early June. So now all of a sudden we're 10 months from maybe moving in, 3 months from actually getting started. It's time to hammer down and get a few of these jobs done.